Hi, this video is gonna be how to change the fan clutch on a 2011 Tacoma 4-cylinder. Yeah, so if you don't have a special tool, you might wanna just use a long, skinny crowbar, stick it in there, prevent the fan here from turning, that pulley. And then 12 box wrench or whatever, and you loosen the nuts. Yeah, so already swapped the clutch. It's super simple. We have like some aftermarket clutch here only. But what I wanted to say is, like, all you gotta do is just loosen the top plastic shroud here, and you'll be able to move this around a little bit, and you're gonna get this fan in there without doing anything, literally. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. And there it is.
Like and subscribe.
Boom, on there. I just need a second hand to put a nut on, but that's easy peasy. Okay, we done here. Something that might be helpful depending on what kind of clutch you're installing while tying it up, and like a really big set of channel pliers. Always good to have around. But basically super easy. You just remove the plastic cover, loosen up the shroud here, 2 screws, left and right. One is here and one is under the hose here, basically. Yeah, and then you can get it straight out. That's it.